I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the HP laptop into power so the update won't stop mid-install. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Make sure you have a quick backup of critical files to an external drive or cloud so you can recover if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and let Windows find available packages. This first check kicks off the whole process and tells you what to expect next. You review the listed updates and any optional driver downloads. HP often adds firmware or driver updates that matter. Once you select what to install, close non-essential apps and pause heavy background tasks to free resources and reduce risk of conflicts. Click Download, then Install, monitor the progress as it moves through percent values. If a driver or feature update requires a restart, Windows will show a scheduled time. Adjust it if you need to finish work first, otherwise allow the restart to proceed. You complete the process by restarting when prompted. Let the HP laptop run through any automatic reboots and configuration steps until you reach the desktop. Once back, verify updates in Settings and confirm drivers via Device Manager. If the update fails, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, uninstall any recently added drivers, and try updating again. Sometimes retrying fixes transient errors. Make sure the BIOS and HP Support Assistant are current, because firmware and vendor tools often resolve persistent update problems. This prevents repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.